I'm not going to listen to all this esoteric foolishness that you spouting off that you barely don't know. I'm going to follow the law that I studied and I've practiced for over, we rolling up on 30 years now.
So you see this lovely young lady, Judge Tammy Long Hayward. She is absolutely going to destroy a young sovereign citizen today in the court. If you enjoy that kind of video, you've got to watch this one. It's going to be a cool video. Let's go ahead and check it out.
I have my rights and I want a lawyer.
So back to the arraignment calendar. That was Miles and Lamech Thomas. Lamech Thomas.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here representing.
Mr. Thomas, you're before the court for traffic violation, I think, which is usually a running a red light, driving on a suspended or revoked license, and no license. Did you need an attorney to assist you?
Not exactly the crime of the century, right? Should be a simple court case. I don't even know why I go to court first. Why not just pay the fine? But he's come to court because he's a trust and he's not under the jurisdiction of the courts. He says, just Tammy is going to set him right, guaranteed.
Or did you wish to represent yourself?
I represent myself, ma'am.
Okay.
Nice dreads, is that what they call it? Cool, man.
All right. 1 second, Mr. Thomas. I'm having trouble seeing you. Okay, there you are. All right. So did you wish to speak with the state? I'll hear from the state about what their recommendation is for the traffic violations.
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Hagler?
Yes, Your Honor. For case ending in 04186, for count 1, the state's recommendation is a fine of $100. The defendant is no longer eligible, and the state will now prosecute counts 2 and 3.
Okay, and for the case 2024 CR 02581, he's represented by Mr. Holton Dennis.
Like I said, not the crime of the century, right? I don't even know why he's coming to court. Does he not value his time? I have no idea. But anyway, the judge is going to put another spin on the possible sentence that this guy's going to get, or might get, possibly. We'll see how it works out, but it's interesting.
All right, so Mr. Holton Dennis, Mr. Thomas on the second case.
And Your Honor, for the court information, we actually are in the process of getting the correct police report for this event. So we're just still holding on that before we can actually, and then we'll have an announcement for that case.
All right, Mr. Taylor, they're waiting on, I guess, updated information for the obstruction case.
Yes, I don't have a police report. I reached out to Mr. Thomas online. Mr. Thomas, Did you see my text message?
No, sir. What did it say?
Well, basically just asking if you needed us to represent you on the second case, the traffic violation case, and
No, he doesn't need you. He knows it all by heart. He knows how to represent himself. You don't have a case against him, really, because he's not under your jurisdiction, he says. We'll see how that works out for him.
Don't say anything here, but just let me know.
I'm missing at the maker.
Mr. Thomas?
We need to have a conversation about both cases, Your Honor.
Yeah, do I need, so I can put you in a breakout room at a later time, or do you have Mr. Thomas's correct phone number?
I don't know, Your Honor. I'd have to.
Mr. Thomas, have you been getting information from Mr. Taylor or Mr. Lynch?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay, so Mr. Thomas, give me the last 4 of your phone number.
I just got on like 2 days ago, so I had to go into the phone and get it.
Okay, so you said you just got a new phone?
Yep.
Okay, so what I need you to do is, you know how to use the chat function on Zoom?
I was trying to figure it out, but I couldn't see how to do the process.
Okay, so Mr. Taylor or Mr. Lynch, can y'all chat him a test And
I
then,
have already, Your Honor. I
okay,
sent a
so
message.
Mr. Thomas, you're looking for a red box with some with a white number in it.
Okay.
You see it?
No, man, hold on. One second. I was copying the number. All right,
That's
cool.
okay. Okay. So when you look on your screen, if you see something with a red box with a
Right.
white number in it, click on that.
Red box, white number.
Yeah.
And I think
Or
it's either 2 or 3 because I've sent a couple of.
Okay, I see the messages, but if I text back, will it go like straight to you?
I assume it goes straight back to the person that sent you the messages. I'm not sure, but I think that would be a logical deduction.
It will come.
yeah, it's going straight to him. It's not going to everybody. That's
Okay.
why I asked him to send a test.
All right, I got you.
Yeah. So that was exactly why.
Continue while I have a chance to talk with Mr. Thomas and
Okay. So Mr. Thomas, Mr.
and also
Taylor's
to
gonna
get a copy of the
information. All right, he's gonna talk to you, okay?
and Ms. Hager, just a copy of the obstruction information as well.
Yes, once we get it, we're still holding. Thank you.
All right, so Mr. Thomas's cases are the last cases on the arraignment calendar. We're gonna switch to the jail calendar. Yes, I would like that announcement. I was gonna ask. Go ahead.
All right, so I won't be needing an attorney. I'll be representing myself as my trust. I'll be representing my trust. I wouldn't need an attorney.
Yeah, that's not the not the thing to do when you're in court. I don't care how clever you think you are. If you do not have a lawyer's background, legal background, in all aspects of the law, you should not represent yourself. Even the worst, I think even the worst lawyer know more than you know about your case, how to represent you. I think I could be wrong. No, I would get a lawyer. He's not setting himself up for a good thing. Yeah, I don't think anyway.
Okay, Mr. Thomas, what you mean by your trust?
I'm sorry.
What you mean by your trust?
My name is trademark copyright. Representing my trust when they have.
What does all that mean legally? Do you even understand what you're talking about?
Nah, he doesn't. He's found this on the internet, and this is what he's going with because it sounds great.
Yes, ma'am. No jurisdiction. I'm not under
No, ma'am. No, sir, Mr.
jurisdiction.
Mr. Thomas, no. No. We got a president with 37 felonies, sir. He was under somebody's jurisdiction. So I don't know how you, a black man born in America, thinks that you got some stuff that's going to keep you from being under somebody's jurisdiction. All this, I done trademark my name and it's, I'm not the true man and it's the paper man and all that foolishness, Mr. None of that works. None of that works. Y'all go on the internet and figure out some stuff that don't make a bit of sense. And then it hampers you because you think you know better than an attorney who's gone to school for 3 years and 4 years before that to go to college and they figured out and then they worked. Mr. Lynch has been an attorney. I've known him for 10 years now, at least, right, Mr. Lynch? So, but you think
getting close.
you think you done gone online and found some stuff and you the trust of the straw man of the sir. You don't even understand the American legal system and how it works. But you gonna make up your own stuff because somebody done told you that this works. Same person who told you it works, it don't work. Then what kills me is y'all do stuff like, oh, and under the UCC and the maritime, y'all start quoting stuff that doesn't mean anything. I had one guy in Atlanta tell me something was under maritime law. I was like, sir, we are not even near the ocean. Maritime law is for the ocean.
What is not to like about this judge? There's 1 or 2 judges I like more than her. But man, she's really giving this guy a dress down in this video. I love that. Love that.
It's the esoteric foolishness that y'all get because y'all have done your research. No professional. What you over here talking about you the trust. Okay, imagine if you walked into a hospital and they told you you needed surgery and you said, oh no, I'm the trust. I'm not the man, I'm gonna do my own surgery because I looked it up online.
I'm
This guy did not expect this from Judge Tammy. He didn't expect that. So he's a little bit taken back, but he's gonna come back strong, according to him, I would think. I don't know. There's no way you can come back strong, but he's gonna try.
not the trust. I'm representing the trust.
No, Mister, you don't even know what that means. What I'm saying to you is
my research.
professionals work for years to learn this, to be able to represent people. You wouldn't walk into a hospital if you had a stab wound or a gunshot wound and say, oh, no, the trust is going to take care of me. I'm going to do it myself because I did some research. I am so sick of y'all thinking that attorneys don't do anything. My mom is an attorney, and one of her clients said to her, well, all you really do is, they're trying not to pay her. All you really do is talk. I can talk. Yeah, but do you know the right words in the right sequence and the right things to look up to make the talk you do make sense? No, you do not. So if you think you can replace a lawyer, go replace a doctor. Next time you get sick, go break an arm and go set it yourself.
That's a fair statement that the judge made there. I'd like to see him do that.
Go let the true man set it. Go do that. So if you don't want Mr. Taylor to represent you, that's fine. You are free to represent yourself. I will give you the Ferrata warning as soon as possible. But what I'm telling you is there are problems that come with that because you may be hampered by the fact of what you don't know. The second thing is, don't expect that if it goes wrong for you, that you can then say, oh, well, I didn't have good assistance of counsel, because you are your own counsel and you've chosen that. And so just be clear. The third thing, I'm not going to listen to all this esoteric foolishness that you spouting off that you barely don't know. I'm going to follow the law that I studied and I've practiced for over, we rolling up on 30 years now. And so no, we're not doing this trust stuff, the true man, the UCC. We're not doing none of that. So when you come before me, I'm doing the law that I know it to be. I'm going to follow the statutes, the Constitution, and the case law before me. That is.
I like that. I like that. Judge is direct, clear and direct, simple English. Like it. Him, on the other hand, he doesn't believe her. He doesn't believe her.
Good law in the state of Georgia and the United States. I'm not playing your game. So let me know. I want you to be clear that this is how this is going to go. We clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So are you entering a not guilty plea and you intend to go to trial?
What are the charges? I wasn't read the charges when I came in here. I was skipped for some.
Yeah, actually you were, because you have traffic charges and then you have an obstruction charge. Case 2024CR02581, obstruction of an officer. That's the one where you've decided you do not want the assistance of an attorney. The next case is 2021CR04186, traffic violation, which is generally a red light violation. License driving on a suspended or revoked license, count 2. No license, count 3. One of those will merge, so you won't face both of those because of the merger doctrine. So either you would have, if you were convicted, you would face either the driving on the suspended or revoked license or the no license, not both. But those are the charges that are currently pending for you.
Okay.
All right, you're entering a not guilty plea and you wish to have a trial?
And those are together, or are they two different charges? Are those two different charges, or that's one whole docket?
You have two different cases.
Right.
The traffic offenses are on the 2021 CR 04186. The obstruction of an officer is on 2024 CR 02581.
Okay, and what are the possible outcomes for these pleas?
Now remember, the prosecutor said $100 in the beginning, right? Let's see what the judge has to say.
Possible outcome is, on a misdemeanor offense, if you're convicted, the maximum penalty could be up to 12 months in jail, a $5,000 fine, or both per offense. So for each of the offenses, but with merger doctrine, you would have 1, 2, 3 possible 12-month sentences.
And that's
And those could be, or fines.
That's vastly different to what the prosecutor said, right? I think they said $100. That's what they want to charge the guy. I could be wrong. I might not be understanding it, but I think that was what was said. Judge Damien and said it could be a lot worse than that. Sounds like it.
Those could be served concurrently, meaning at the same time, or consecutively, meaning that they would be one after the other. When one ends, the other one would start.
all right. I did hear eligible for NOLO. I did hear that come about. So I'll see fit NOLO on the.
Okay, but Mr. Thomas, listen to me. If you're entering a plea of guilty or NOLO, we do a plea right now. If you're entering a plea of not guilty, that means you wish to have a trial at a later date. You can have a jury trial or a bench trial. If you want to do NOLO on your traffic offenses, that's fine. We can do that case now, and you can save the next case for a trial. But if you're entering a plea of NOLO and you want to do that on your traffic offenses, that's fine. We can do that now.
Yes, ma'am. I'd like to answer NOLO traffic offenses and not guilty for the obstruction of officer. And by any chance, did that police report show up yet?
We're still pending on the police report, Your Honor.
Okay, so now that you're representing yourself, then you'll have to ask for the discovery and get that information through the Solicitor General's office. If you just write a note saying that you wish to have discovery on this case, then you drop that off at the office or mail it to them, and she'll give you all of the discovery so that you can be ready for trial. Okay?
So I go to the courthouse?
Yeah, you can do that. On the 3rd floor, the Solicitor General's office, and you want to give them a handwritten note. You don't have to type it up or nothing. You can handwrite it. That says, I wish to have the discovery on case 2024 CR 02581. And then put your email address, your phone number, and your full address. And that way they can give it to you or tell you how best to get it.
Okay, and is there any way I could do that without showing up? Because I don't live anywhere like in that area.
You can contact the Solicitor General's office. So you would Google Clayton County Solicitor General, Charles Brooks. And if you call their office, they'll tell you who to contact to get that done.
Judge is actually very kind, right? She's not supposed to give him all this information. He's now representing himself. He would have had a lawyer to do that for him. But now that he represents himself, he's supposed to know all of these things. That's just what it is. She's being very kind. She's telling him what to do. I appreciate that from her. But man, you got to take responsibility for yourself. If you decide to represent yourself, you got to fill the shoes of your lawyer. That's just what it is.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Thomas. Did you wish to do the traffic court now? The traffic offenses now?
I believe so. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So raise your right hand for me.
I'm not in the jurisdiction of a courthouse, ma'am.
Wrong answer. Totally wrong answer.
Okay, the law has changed, which under COVID, which allowed us to do hearings by video. So as long as you are on video with me in the virtual courtroom, you're under the jurisdiction and we can do the plea. Did you wish to continue?
No, ma'am, because I'm not under the jurisdiction. I'm in the video because I don't really know how to work this virtual courtroom setup yet. But if I need to exit video to further more speech that I'm not in a jurisdiction, I can exit the video. Not the chat.
Okay. Are you entering a plea of not guilty for this offense also?
For which one?
For the traffic offenses.
No, man, that'll be a NOLO for.
No, we're not doing a NOLO. If you're not willing to do the NOLO by video, then we're not doing the plea right now. You've seen this. You've seen the people come from the jail calendar, and there was even one person in the courtroom. You've been here the whole time, so you've seen how this works. Like I said, I'm not playing your game. Either we do the plea the
Okay.
way everybody else has done it, or
This isn't a game. Like I don't even do court. Like I just happen to get stopped a few times in trucks that aren't mine. So I somehow get entangled with the police and the court system. But this isn't my field. But
Yeah, we can see it's not your field. You're not a lawyer.
like I was saying, like it's definitely possible to do a NOLO. I'm just not in the under your jurisdiction. I'm representing my trust. Like I don't know what I'm supposed to. Like I do my research. I see laws. I see common laws.
all right. Let's go back to the jail calendar. I'm not doing this today. My sinuses are bothering me.
All right, so that's where Judge Tammy has decided she's had enough of this idiot, and she'll take it on a later stage. I don't know what's going to happen in this court case, but I do appreciate the fact that she did not take his nonsense, did not entertain me at all, and that is great. I wish all judges would do this. There are some cool judges out there that I follow. She's one of them, and she's done a great job in this video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching with me. I appreciate your time. If you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Give us a like, say hi in the comments. These things are all good. And I'll see you in the next one.